One formula that I need for you to write down. Circumference of a circle. Circumference. It is either 2 times radius times pi, or diameter times pi. So depending on which piece of information they give you, if they give you the radius, your formula is 2 times radius times pi. If they give you the diameter, the formula is diameter times pi. Now, yesterday we worked on perimeter and area using a coordinate grid. Today we're going to move on to a circle, but we will come back to the square and rectangle and add this all together for the assignment for tonight. All right. So a circle. Let's start with some vocabulary. When the line goes all the way across, what is it called? From one side of a circle all the way to the other. Does anybody remember? Raise your hands, don't yell out. Ronald, what's it called when the line goes all the way across the circle?
Diameter.
Diameter, very good. Diameter goes all the way across. All right, so our next one . When it goes halfway across. Paul. Radius. So the diameter goes all the way across. Radius goes halfway across. I have a circle, a pond. It's 37 feet from one side to the other. I need to build a fence right along the edge of my pond. How much fencing do I need to purchase? So circumference is another word for perimeter. Circumference means perimeter. But that's the word for a circle. So circumference Alright. So I told you the formula is 2 times pi times radius, or 2 times diameter times radius. So which formula am I going to use? Brittany. Diameter times pi. So this is going to be a d pi. So my diameter is 37 and pi. Now, it might ask you, I need an exact answer. If the question tells you it needs an exact answer, this is what it's talking about. The exact answer to this problem is 37 pi. Now, is 37 pi going to tell me how much fencing I need? No. So now I'm going to have to substitute the number 3.14 in for pi. So the circumference now is approximately 37 times 3 14/100. So approximately how much fencing do I need? Say it again, Paul. 116.18. So I need approximately 116.18 feet of fencing. All right. So let's look at the problem that you have in Echo. It's under Geometry, Unit 2, and then it says Problem 57.
You want us to go to it?
Not necessarily. All right. Problem 57. Why is that doing that? Alright, so I'm going to pull it up like this. You have one problem for homework for your assignment today. One problem. It says, you have 1,000 feet of flexible pool siding and wish to construct a swimming pool. Experiment with rectangular shaped pools that have a perimeter of 1,000 feet. How do their areas vary? What is the shape of the rectangle with the largest area? And then you're going to compute the area of the circular pool that has a circumference of 1,000 feet. what would be your choice of shape for the pool? If rectangle, what is your preference for dimensions? Justify your choice. If your only consideration is to have a pool that encloses the most area, which one should you choose? Now, you must have a minimum of 10 experiment rectangles. 10 experiment rectangles. All of your rectangles must have a perimeter of 1,000 feet. So everybody in the class should have different answers, because there are lots and lots and lots and lots of ways that you can make a rectangle that has a perimeter of 1,000 feet. Okay? So nobody in the class should have the same answer. Any questions? All right. So you will be doing this on paper, which will be easier than I made my other classes do. They had to write this as a journal in the computer. So I am going to let you do it on paper. Make it easier. So all you will need to look at will be this piece right here. Make sure you answer every question that is asked. Make sure you write in complete sentences, because it says justify your choice. So the justify your choice has got to be in complete sentences. Any questions about the assignment? All right, you have about 30 minutes to be working on this.